Hey there! So let me tell you about a common problem that many people face when trying to set up a seamless switch between their home desktop and work laptop. Just imagine wanting to use the same keyboard, mouse, and dual monitors for both setups, but running into issues with the display ports. Frustrating, right? Now, the solution to this problem is quite interesting. By simply adjusting the refresh rate of the monitor receiving the HDMI signal from the DisplayPort output, you can make everything work like a charm. Switching from 144 Hz to 120 Hz did the trick, allowing the signal to flow smoothly and ending your DisplayPort dilemma. It's amazing how a small tweak can solve a big problem, don't you think? In summary, facing technical glitches when setting up your workspace can be a real headache. But fear not, as simple solutions like tweaking the refresh rate can save the day. So, with that sorted, it's time to bid you farewell. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.